Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how you can change the battery in this Chevy Colorado key fob here. It works also for the Colorado models and the Silverado models, and you don't need any fancy tools. You just need only one battery like this 2032, and you can find this battery everywhere, and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is turn this key over like this, and here to the back, right here, we need to remove this piece right here. So to remove this piece, the easiest way is to take the small flat screwdriver, insert the tip right here, only the tip here, twist and push up a little bit, and this way you can very easily remove this back piece over here. So when you remove the back piece over here, right after that, here you will see your old dead battery. And now to remove the battery, again, it's very easy. Just take the small flat screwdriver, take the tip again, insert here or here, and just push the battery outside here. Now, when you remove the battery, here in the same place, you need to insert the new battery, and also make sure it's with the positive side facing up, like this. So this step here is very important. And now, when you place the battery right here, just take this back piece again, make sure you align it perfectly here, all corners to match, and just snap them together. And when you snap them together, right after that, your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that, it will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful, and take care.